Let's take a look at replacing the intake air temp sensor on a 3.5 liter Honda. Now we've removed the engine cover here, and the intake air temp sensor is located at the rear of the intake manifold. Now we have to feel around and find the electrical connector release, and I'm going to use a 19 millimeter open end wrench to break this loose, and we will spin this out of the intake. Once we've got the old one out, we'll take our new one. It comes equipped with an O-ring. Ensure that that's in place to seal us off so we don't have a vacuum leak. And we can simply start it by hand here in the intake, thread it in, take our wrench again, snug it up, and correctly clock our connector. Make sure it's locked on properly, and there you have it. We've just replaced the intake air temp sensor.